NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has scarcely woken up, and the universe is now more strange and more gorgeous than humankind's fantasies. This is an enormous revelation, and we feel that it's a gigantic disclosure. The most thrilling aspect of this telescope, this wonderful instrument we've placed in space, is its ability to find things we didn't expect and can't yet make sense of. That means we need to rethink our understanding of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is so remarkable that, given enough time, it could likely discover any world that has ever formed in the universe. It's actually that powerful. NASA recently discovered a super-Earth that could have conditions to support life. This new exoplanet is 137 light-years away, or roughly 800 trillion miles. Astronomers say the planet is about 1.5 times the size of Earth and orbits a small, cool red star. This discovery is fascinating. While we haven't found an exact twin to Earth, this planet is one of the most promising. Among the latest batch of 500 potential new planets, this super-Earth stands out. Though it's slightly larger than Earth, its conditions could make it habitable. Proxima b, another planet located just 4 light-years away, is also drawing attention. Being relatively close to us and approximately the same size as Earth, Proxima b is at the right distance from its star to maintain temperatures suitable for liquid water, and possibly life. Looking beyond our solar system to Proxima Centauri, the closest star to the Sun, 24 trillion miles away, we find Proxima b. It's slightly larger than Earth, and although its star is cooler than our Sun, the planet resides in the habitable zone. This means liquid water could exist on its surface, making it a candidate for supporting life. The James Webb Telescope has made headlines once again, this time for something truly groundbreaking. Proxima b, the nearest exoplanet to our solar system, might not be just another distant rock. New discoveries suggest that life could potentially exist there, and the evidence is stunning. What exactly has the James Webb Telescope uncovered? And why is it causing such a stir? Let's dive into these remarkable revelations that could reshape our understanding of life beyond Earth. What makes Proxima b so special? Proxima b, also known as Alpha Centauri cb, orbits the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system. It is located approximately 4.2 light-years from Earth in the constellation Centaurus, making it one of the closest known exoplanets to our solar system. Proxima b orbits its star at a distance of about 7.26 million kilometers and completes one orbit in approximately 11.2 Earth days, a very close orbit by space standards. Remarkably, it lies in the habitable zone, where conditions could allow for liquid water to exist. However, there's a catch. Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf, is known for its intense solar flares. Such flares could potentially strip away a planet's atmosphere, leaving it exposed and uninhabitable. Despite these challenges, astronomers continued studying Proxima b, hoping it might reveal vital clues about the possibility of life beyond Earth. Proxima b's characteristics. Proxima b is estimated to have a mass between 1.07 and 1.17 times that of Earth, making it quite similar in size. However, its radius remains uncertain, with estimates ranging from 0.94 to 1.4 times Earth's radius. This variation complicates efforts to definitively classify the planet. Depending on its exact composition, it might be more Earth-like or resemble a smaller Neptune-type planet. Proxima b's composition is still largely speculative, but scientists suggest it could range from having a large core like Mercury's to being a water-rich world. If Proxima b is tidally locked to its star, one side would always face the star in perpetual daylight, while the other would remain in eternal darkness. This would create extreme climate conditions, with only a twilight zone in between potentially being habitable. However, there's also a chance Proxima b is not fully tidally locked, which could result in more dynamic climate patterns. Can Proxima b support life? New climate models have shown that Proxima b could still be habitable under certain conditions. Using a supercomputer, scientists created 3D simulations of the planet's potential environments. Even if one side is constantly exposed to intense radiation, the planet might still support life if it has an Earth-like atmosphere and a strong magnetic field. In this case, The planet could even have an ocean extending into its dark side, resembling a giant eyeball staring at its star. The role of the James Webb Space Telescope. The launch of the James Webb Space Telescope was a game-changer. Equipped with advanced infrared instruments, it can peer deeper into space than its predecessor, the Hubble telescope. When scientists turned its gaze toward Proxima b, they aimed to gather more information about its atmosphere, surface, and potential signs of life. To their surprise, the telescope detected a faint glow coming from the planet's night side. This glow wasn't caused by natural phenomena like volcanic activity or auroras. Instead, it was steady and consistent, more akin to artificial lighting, the type you'd expect to see in a city at night. This discovery has left scientists stunned. Could this be evidence of an advanced civilization? While it's too early to draw conclusions, the possibility of intelligent life is difficult to ignore. After all, artificial lights are one of the few things we associate with developed civilizations. What's next? The discovery of potential artificial lights on Proxima b is extraordinary. If these lights are indeed the result of advanced technology, it could mean that a highly developed civilization exists or once existed on this nearby planet. For now, scientists are exercising caution, but the implications are monumental. Could this discovery finally answer the age-old question? Are we alone in the universe? The broader implications of Proxima b's discovery. The potential discovery of artificial lights on Proxima b raises more questions than it answers. If these lights are indeed of technological origin, they could indicate the presence of an advanced civilization with capabilities similar to or beyond ours. Such a revelation would not only reshape our understanding of the universe but also force us to rethink our place in it. For decades, humanity has wondered whether intelligent life exists elsewhere. Proxima b might be the closest evidence we have so far. However, there are alternative explanations for the observations. The glow detected on Proxima b could also result from natural processes that mimic artificial lighting. For instance, it could be due to bioluminescent organisms, geological phenomena, or atmospheric effects unique to the planet's environment. Further studies are essential to confirm whether these signals are indeed technological or purely natural. Challenges in studying Proxima b. Despite its relative proximity, studying Proxima b is no small feat. The planet's faint signals are often drowned out by the brightness of its host star, Proxima Centauri. Red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri are particularly active stars, frequently emitting flares that complicate observations. Additionally, Proxima b's small size and close orbit make it difficult to isolate specific features, such as its atmosphere or surface composition. The James Webb Space Telescope's advanced infrared capabilities provide a significant advantage, but even this remarkable instrument has its limits. Detecting unambiguous signs of life, whether biological or technological, will likely require next-generation telescopes and missions designed specifically to probe exoplanets. What's next for Proxima b? The discovery of potential artificial lights on Proxima b is just the beginning. Scientists are already planning follow-up observations using both the James Webb Telescope and other advanced instruments like the upcoming Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, and the Giant Magellan Telescope, GMT. These tools will help refine our understanding of Proxima b's atmosphere, surface conditions, and potential for supporting life. In addition to observational studies, theoretical models are being developed to explore how life could survive under Proxima b's unique conditions. Researchers are examining scenarios where life might thrive in the twilight zone between the planet's perpetual day and night sides, or beneath its surface, shielded from radiation by rock or ice. The search for answers. The discovery on Proxima b also underscores the importance of initiatives like Breakthrough Starshot, a project that aims to send small, high-speed probes to nearby star systems, including Proxima Centauri. Such missions could provide direct, detailed observations of Proxima b and its surroundings, potentially answering questions that telescopes cannot. Even if Proxima b does not host intelligent life, its study will yield valuable insights into the diversity of planetary systems and the conditions required for life to arise. Every piece of data brings us closer to understanding our cosmic neighbors and the broader question of life's existence beyond Earth. This discovery marks a turning point in the search for extraterrestrial life, and Proxima b may soon become a focal point for humanity's efforts to explore the universe. As technology advances, the mysteries of this intriguing exoplanet and countless others may finally be unveiled. Exoplanet. Assuming that is valid, this would be whenever we first have found direct proof of extraterrestrial innovation. It's anything but a little revelation. It isn't like we have discovered a few microorganisms or basic life forms. This could be intelligent creatures capable of shaping their environment, perhaps creating city-like structures. This is the sort of discovery that causes you to sit up and acknowledge just how enormous the universe truly is. But as exciting as this all sounds, it leaves us with so many questions. On the off chance that these lights are from a civilization, exactly how advanced are they? Are we talking about a society like our own? One that is experiencing its own technological developments and struggles? Or is this something considerably more advanced? These lights cover a significant portion of the planet, according to the data from the James Webb telescope. That could mean one massive city or a lot of smaller settlements scattered across the planet. Either way, we are talking about a coordinated society, not just random lights here and there. And then, of course, there's another question. How are these lights powered? Are they using something like electricity, as we do, generated from natural resources like coal, solar, or wind? Or, and here is where it gets truly fascinating, have they developed some advanced form of energy that we couldn't yet imagine? Proxima b orbits a red dwarf star, which is much cooler and dimmer than our Sun. This could mean the inhabitants had to be creative with their energy production, perhaps harnessing energy in ways that could give us hints about solving our own energy problems here on Earth. But what if these lights are just the remnants of a civilization? Consider it. What if this is a society that once thrived but is now in decline? What might have caused it? Perhaps they faced some internal turmoil, ran into environmental issues, or even experienced some cosmic catastrophe. On the other hand, what if the civilization is still flourishing? If that's the case, it raises the possibility of real contact between us and them. The next thing we have to consider is whether we should even attempt to make contact. History tells us that when two civilizations meet, things don't always go smoothly. We have countless examples from our own history where encounters between human societies led to either cooperation or conflict. So, if we do decide to contact this alien civilization, what might that look like? Do we approach them with caution or do we jump right into it? The ethical and practical questions are endless, and, frankly, a bit frightening. There is also the major challenge this discovery presents to our current understanding of where life can exist. For the longest time, scientists believed that planets orbiting red dwarf stars were not exactly life-friendly. These stars often release powerful solar flares, which could easily strip an atmosphere and leave a planet desolate. Yet here we are, with potential evidence that not only life but intelligent life could be thriving in such conditions. If that's the case, it would completely change how we think about where life could exist in the universe. Red dwarfs are actually the most common type of star in our universe. If life can thrive on Proxima b, that means there could be many other planets around red dwarfs where life could also exist. Suddenly, the universe is looking much more crowded. Even the places we once thought were unlikely candidates for life might require a second look. So what's next? How does this revelation affect space exploration? But consider this. What if the light is clustered in certain areas? Then it would hint at the presence of city-states, nations, or groups. The patterns could reveal a lot about how this alien civilization functions, from urban planning to technological priorities. Understanding how this alien society operates would be crucial if we ever do make contact. Are they peaceful explorers, eager to share their knowledge and culture? Or are they isolationists, choosing to remain hidden from the rest of the universe? Their lights suggest a civilization that is advanced enough to possibly engage in interstellar travel. If that's the case, they may have already explored other planets and star systems beyond Proxima Centauri. Another question that keeps coming up is the timing of this discovery. Proxima b is only 4.24 light-years away, which means the light we are seeing now left the planet just over 4 years ago. That's almost real-time in the grand scheme of space. This raises the possibility that any civilization on Proxima b could be at a similar technological stage as us right now. They could be facing the same societal challenges or working on the same advancements, but in an alien world. Alternatively, they might be a much older civilization that has already hit its technological peak or even collapsed, with the lights being the last remnants of a once great society. The sheer proximity of Proxima b means that communication, while challenging, wouldn't take as long as we might expect. The possibilities of engaging with an alien civilization on Proxima b are staggering. If we send out a message, we could receive a reply in just 9 years. That's the potential here. While Proxima b remains a promising candidate for extraterrestrial life, it is far from the only place in our universe, or even in our solar system, where we might find signs of life. What do we know about alien life on other planets? NASA's exoplanet program is determined to find definitive signs of life on other worlds, and we've already taken crucial steps toward that goal. Telescopes like the James Webb and the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope are designed to scan planets for markers like oxygen, water vapor, and other indicators that suggest a planet could harbor life.